Hi, how are you doing? Well, today we'll try to see about filling the missing data by using mentally mean, by using the Jupyter notebook in the Python environment. So as you can see here, I have already opened the Jupyter notebook on my computer. So let me change the title. Filling missing data and recently. Now I renamed it, as you can see here. So now first we have to import the necessary libraries. As usual, import pandas, spd, import numpy, np, and now let me read the CSV rainfall data. Let me give the name as df pd dot read CSV. Now let's go to the folder where the rainfall data is found. Here at this hour, rainfall, copy as has, and then paste we will here control plus V. And you have to reverse the file as R, and let me make the date as an index. So first dates equals date comma index column equals to date. Now print the data from df. Now run the code. So as you can see here, I have put the date as an index and also the PCB as a column with 40,975 row. So in order to know the missing data, the amount of the missing data that's basically available within the data frame or the rainfall data, df.example.sum. We have seen it in our previous video. So 98 number of rows has been missed. So we need to fill this by using the seasonal mean. So filling the missing data by seasonal mean. So first, what we have to do is df.index. df.index is equals to the index column has to be changed into the datetime format in the pandas library. So pd dot to datetime, because this is integer type, so I have to change it into the date type. Sorry, the integer type is the PCP, the date type is the object type, so I have to change it into the date time. So df.index, then the first date has to be taken as it is. Let me say true. Now from this index, I have to take out the monthly data, which is df.months, right? Sorry. First to df.index months, right? So now we have to take out the monthly mean. Monthly mean is equals to what df dot group by what? By months of the precipitation data, which is labeled as PCP, right? And then transform it into monthly, right? Into monthly mean. Then what? df the precipitation data, which is labeled as PCP, is equals to again PCP, then dot field the non-available data. Fill NA means fill the non-available data of the missing data by using what we call monthly mean, what we have done before, right? By using monthly mean. So now, right. So there is a problem. Where is the problem? I think. Yes. Monthly. Okay. Here I have to make it this way. So now we have what we have done here is the index column is date, so that date is in object format, so we have to change it to date time format. Then from that date time format we have to extract lenses. So we have to group the lenses of the precipitation into mean. Then that monthly mean has to be for the data frame. Now if you check df dot gizman dot sum, run it, you can see all the data has been filled. So let me export it. Export the field data by not having df dot to csv dot to csv. Then here in the output, let me copy as and then Ctrl plus V. Then in the output, I have to provide the file name. Field rainfall by monthly mean .csv, right? So run the code. Sorry, I didn't close the bracket. Now run the code. Now if I go to the output folder, which can be used as an output, so you can see here field rainfall by monthly mean, right? By monthly mean. So if you open this one, right, this folder, you can see the date and you can see the PCP and the months. So if I filter it, let me filter it, top and filter PCP. If you go through this line, you don't get NaN values, which is non-available data, or NaN. No match is found. So all the data has been filled. Thank you. This is one of the ways that you can fill your rainfall data by using the monthly mean. Thank you for today. And then for the next lecture, we will go to how we can reassemble the daily data into monthly, yearly, and seasonal. Goodbye.